over in the top left, which is the three lines, go to settings, and then scroll down until we find privacy. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can change or reset your PIN on Messenger. So if you're using Messenger, then recently in their latest update, you should be able to be experiencing something called PIN. And a lot of your chats should have something that says that this chat is set on end-to-end encrypted, which is security measures, which is basically just security measures to make sure that nothing else or that your chat spaces remain secure. So to show you an example, you can easily find an example by going through your old chats on your Messenger, because it will show you that this chat has some contents that was way before the PIN was initiated. So it's gonna be quite dangerous and unsafe. So how can we change it in case we forgot? Let's go here over in the top left, which is the three lines, go to settings, and then scroll down until we find privacy and safety. That's the wrong one. And then we scroll down until we find something called end-to-end encrypted chats. And then we go here to message storage. And we have here this thing called reset PIN. So you can do that. And you can also do, what you can also do is to delete and turn up the secure storage. And that will help your device clear up some memory actually. So we just need to reset the PIN. So we can just go here and then we can just create a new PIN. And that is it. We have our PIN changed. Once you have your PIN, you should be good to go. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.